Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum class 1. Today our topic is addition, comparing numbers. Today we will deal page number 68, 69 and 70. After watching this lesson, students will be able to do addition with comparing numbers. So let's start our lesson. First of all, I'm going to do page number 68, addition comparing numbers. Let us compare numbers to identify how much more one is from the other. Look at this example, in which compare 6 and 1. Bobo the bunny jumps on the number line to reach 6. Bobo has jumped 5 times to reach 6. Therefore, we say 6 is 5 more than 1. There is another example. Compare 8 and 4. Bobo jumps again on the number line to reach 8. Bobo has jumped 4 times to reach 8. Therefore, we say 8 is 4 more than 4. Now I'm going to do page number 69. Question number 1. Compare the numbers and write how much more one is from the other. The first one is compare 8 and 5. Look, Bobo the bunny jumps on the number line to reach 8. He jumps 1, 2, 3. Bobo has jumped 3 times to reach 8. Therefore, we say 8 is 3 more than 5. The next is compare 11 and 13. In this, Bobo jumps on the number line again to reach 13. 1, 2. Look, Bobo has jumped 2 times to reach 13. Therefore, we say 13 is 2 more than 11. The next one is compare 12 and 7. Bobo jumps on the number line to reach 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bobo has jumped 5 times to reach 12. Therefore, we say 12 is 5 more than 7. Now I'm going to do page number 70. Addition. Question number 1. Write the number in the given box which should be added to get the answer. One has been done for you, in which we have to add a number in 3, then the answer comes 6. So what is the number? Yes, the number is 3. Add 3 into 3, then the answer comes 6. The next one is, what should be added into 3 to get the answer 8? What is the number? Yes, we have to add 5 into 3 to get the answer 8. Or we can say 3 plus 5 equals to 8. The next one is, what should be added in 5 to get the answer 7? Do you know what number should be added? Yes, we should add 2 into 5 to get the answer 7. And we can say 5 plus 2 equals to 7. The next one is, what should be added into 2 to get the answer 9? Do you know? Yes, we should add 7 into 2 to get the answer 9. And we can say 2 plus 7 equals to 9. The next one is, what should be added into 7 to get the answer 8? We should add 1 into 7 to get the answer 8. And we can say 7 plus 1 equals to 8. The next is, what should be added in 12 to get the answer 14? Now you tell me that what should be added in 12 to get the answer 14? Yes, we should add 2 into 12 to get the answer 14. So students, that's all about today's lesson. Hopefully you understood. Now your homework is to attempt page number 68, 69 and 70 on your countdowns book. Hope you all will do well. Thank you.